Hi, I'm Jordan Goll, the General Manager of Fit Athletic located in the East Village of downtown San Diego. This is our flagship location that opened up in 2008. In the last year, we spent nearly $2 million renovating the club. Let's go in and take a look. Our 46,000 square foot facility boasts everything our members need to meet their wellness goals, from top-of-the-line fitness equipment, energizing group fitness classes, to robust recovery services and spaces to relax and recharge. We take pride in fostering a community within our facilities. We always say, fit is not just a gym, it is a lifestyle. At East Village, we have a central lounge space that acts as our members' very own living room, where they can come together to hang out, enjoy a fresh meal from the Fit Cafe, watch the game, or even get some work done. East Village has over 150 pieces of strength and cardio equipment, and as part of our recent upgrades, we've added 42 new pieces of high-end Gym 80 machines. One of our members' favorite offerings is our personal training services. We have a large roster of master trainers who are here to help our members reach their wellness goals through customized fitness and nutrition programs. They use our variety of workout spaces and equipment to elevate the training experience, including our indoor and outdoor turf areas. For our members who prefer community and accountability of a group workout, we have over 27 group experience classes. We ensure our members have everything they need right here, including a class variety of multiple boutique fitness studios all in one membership. We feature specialized classes like our ultra-popular heated Vinyasa Flow. Welcome to our GX studio, where we hold a variety of cardio and strength building classes. Today, we are looking at a setup for one of our most popular classes, Define Body. Our GX class schedule is ever evolving because we listen to the feedback of our members. So by popular request, we are thrilled to unveil the newly renovated Reformer Pilates studio. We added 8 sleek Allegra 2 reformers to level up our GX offerings and roll out our newest, highly requested class, Reformer Pilates, which is included in your Fit membership. Our skilled team extends beyond personal trainers and instructors. At Fit East Village, we are proud to offer 7 in-house recovery services to aid in our members' full body wellness. Our offerings range from tried and true methods such as massage therapy and saunas to the hottest wellness trends like red light therapy and cold plunges. Recovery is a critical part of health and fitness, which is why we built a dedicated recovery lounge at East Village. Members have access to Normatec compression, human touch massage chairs, a full-body cryo-built cryotherapy chamber, and our newest addition, Halo Red light therapy chambers. Because all amenities are included with the membership, there is no barrier to entry. This approach has proven both impactful and operationally efficient. Members can drop in on their own schedule, making recovery more accessible and seamlessly integrated into their routine. We recently installed 4 state-of-the-art CoolPod cold plunges to keep pace with the latest and greatest in health and wellness. We aim to ensure we have something for everyone to help each member reach their personal fitness and recovery goals. If cold water isn't your jam, our East Village facility also features a heated outdoor pool and hot tub. Post-workout, our members love to step outside and enjoy our deck and rooftop pool that overlooks Petco Park, home of the San Diego Padres. Thank you for checking us out at Fit East Village. To learn more, visit us at fitathletic.com and follow us on Instagram at fitathletic.